Namaskar, Adab. Welcome to this special episode. Because of the total lockdown, every sector is severely battered in our country. The disastrous impact is seen on hospitality sector. Palghar district hospitality industry was on average witnessing full occupancy till the month of February. By the end of March, it had totally collapsed. To revive this industry, Vasai Taluka Hotel Association has urged the government to give minimum support so that the industry can stand up again. See this special segment. District has 432 bars and restaurants, 300 restaurants and 37 wine shops, which were shut down due to lockdown declared by the government. This hospitality industry supports skilled and unskilled laborers in thousands. After the shutdown, every bar and restaurant owner has to face double impact, no earning and overhead expenses still persisting. So the member of the Vasai Taluka Hotel Association has suggested for some changes that is beneficial for all.
कि आप होटल इंडस्ट्री बंद रखने से आप इंडस्ट्री वगैरह थोड़ा बहुत चालू किया है, उनको भी काम पे आना जाने तकलीफ हो रहा है, उनको चाय नहीं मिल रहा है, पाना नहीं मिल रहा है, खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, ये सब। और ये सब अगर होटल इंडस्ट्री थोड़ा बहुत चालू करेंगे तो उनको भी काम पे ज़्यादा % लोग आएंगे। और हमारा इंडस्ट्री होटल इंडस्ट्री जो ऐसा है और बहुत से सारा लोग भी इसके ऊपर डिपेंड है। हम लाखों लोगों को नौकरी देता है और ये हाईवे पे लोग अभी ट्रक भर भर के जा रहे हैं, उनके भी संख्या कम हो जाएंगे हमारे काम चालू हो जाए। और ये हमारे नौकरी लोगों को हम देते हैं कि अगर महाराष्ट्र शासन केंद्र शासन चाहने के बाद भी इतने लोगों को बड़े बड़े मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी भी नहीं दे पाएंगे। अगर हमारे को मुख्यमंत्री कल ऑर्डर देंगे हमारे 10,000 आदमी को नौकरी दो, हम इतने वीक सिर्फ आधार कार्ड का जेरॉक्स लेके दे सकते हैं। और हम गवर्नमेंट को रॉयल्टी, इनकम टैक्स, सेल टैक्स, एक्साइज ड्यूटी सभी देने में होटल इंडस्ट्री हमेशा आगे है और कोई भी टैक्स चोर यहाँ पे नहीं होता है कि ये सबसे हम गवर्नमेंट को भी हमारे से मदद होता है। और लोगों को भी शेक ज़रूरत है, होटल इंडस्ट्री खाना पीने की ज़रूरत है। अगर आप बाकी जगह इंडस्ट्री चालू कर दें तो होटल इंडस्ट्री चालू करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और हमारे को लिकर वाइन शॉप वगैरह चालू हुआ है और हमारे को लिकर परमिशन पार्सल का भी परमिशन दे देंगे फिलहाल टेम्पररी, तो हम वहाँ पे जो गर्दी होता है, लाइन लगता है और सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन नहीं हो रहा है, वो हम कर सकेंगे।
These members of Vasai Taluka Hotel Association are in discussion mode, but they are not in favor of dole out, but some oxygen in form of tax respite. Otherwise, the sick industry will soon be on ICU bed with debts running in crores. They also suggest that we will also obey more strictly than others the norms of social distancing if given chance to sell liquor.
See, in this lockdown period, the most affected industry is hospital industry. In our hospital industry, it is formed with all the bar and restaurants. We are having staying facility, we are having vegetable restaurants, and we are having all types of things that a common man is required for. And my request to the Chief Minister of the Maharashtra is, he should take care of our industry very seriously. Till date, no package has been granted to our industry, and we are really afraid whether we are going to get any package or not. If at all our Chief Minister thinks about us, he should take care of our rental thing, our wages, our electricity bills, and the interest that we are paying to the loans and everything, EMIs are there, other things are there. And if this is not taken care of, then I fear that most of our people from our industry will have to shut their shops and go away, like the migrants are moving out of our state.
Till this lockdown is going on?
Yes. See, our industry is the highest taxpayer to the state. We are almost with our taxes, I can say the state is run. let it be GST, let it be excise duties, let it be excise renewal fees. But this, though we are in lockdown period, though our units are closed, the government should give us relief in the license fees that they are collecting, which they are not yet declared. As I told you, the government has not come at all with any packages for us. We are paying the license fees for 365 days, wherein out of that thing, 45 days are already over. When 45 days license fees is quite a big amount for each and every unit. So I request the government to please look into these things and give us proper relief.
Do you think the respite will help the hospitality industry?
100%. This hospitality industry, even after the lockdown is lifted, we are the most affected person in this thing, because people are more aware of that, not to eat outside food, not to use hotel rooms. They may be affected, and definitely as in the lockdown period, people have formed the habit of preparing food at home. So coming out for food in families, this thing, or in groups or this thing, it is very difficult for us to continue. Nor our rooms will be sold out, nor the occupancy in the restaurants, nor occupancy in bar and restaurants will be formed.
Statistics in our Palghar district. In Palghar district, we have approximately 432 permit rooms and only 37 wine shops to cater a population of approx 30 lakhs. So, considering the number of people in the Palghar state, the 37 wine shops are too less to cater the needs of the liquor requirement. So the problem which the government is facing right now is there are long queues which are extending from 1 to 2 kilometers, and due to this, the agenda for which we have started the lockdown, the government has initiated the lockdown of social distancing is not taken care of. Because of these long queues, the social distancing is really
messed up.
There is no much of social distancing, and there is a lot of chaos also due to this. So we, on behalf of my Vasai Taluka Hotel Association, we plead to the government, if they allow us the permit rooms to sell the liquor only as parcel, we are not asking for the dining, because that's not possible. So if we are allowed to sell it at the parcel counters, or even if the government asks us to do so by home delivery, that will be a very good options, because considering the number of permit rooms, the total crowd will be divided, and because of the division of the crowd, the spread of COVID-19 is also brought to a minimal portion. And besides this, I will also like to tell you that our industries is struggling a lot to pay the employees, because initially for a month it was okay. Now the lockdown is keeping on extending day by day. Due to this, if we get some of the help, even our employees we could pay the salaries and the wages of our employees. And besides that, the government will also get the revenue. The government is looking for a revenue, but the problem with the government is because of the social distancing norm, they are not able to open the wine shops. If you see, one day a district is open, the other day there is an order that it has to be closed. Now all these things could be very well taken care of if all the permit rooms are allowed to sell the liquor. And with this, the government will earn the revenue, the liquor customers will be provided their liquor, and even the hotel industry will be helped at least for their basic needs. So our this thing to the government is, please allow us to sell liquor in our permit rooms, at least, if not at a higher price, at least for the MRP price, and even we are open with an option of home delivery.
Taluka Hotel Association has shown they are big-hearted by lending hand to organized community kitchen, which has given nutritious food to thousands of people, and now they are offered for jobs to workers who are migrating because of being jobless.